I'm back with a new recipe today, and today I will be doing tofu loaf. So what I've done, I'm going to mince the tofu and cook the tofu like a minced meat. So it's minced tofu. I make some homemade bread just like you'd make a pizza bread. And I'm going to cook the tofu and then put that into the bread, which is called tofu loaf. We do this in the Caribbean where you call it meat loaf. So the ingredients that we'll be using, it's spring onion, fresh thyme, and a Scotch bonnet pepper, Caribbean hot pepper, and 2 cloves of garlic and 1 spring onion, and that's some breadcrumbs. That's whole wheat breadcrumbs I'm using in. And what is in the teaspoon is some ground cinnamon and some soy sauce, and these are the ingredients I will be using in the minced tofu. Now I'm gonna get started, guys. I've just opened the pack of the tofu. This is the tofu, it's a black tofu. As you know, tofu is add loads of water. So I'm going to mince the tofu now. I'm crushing it with the Irish crusher. Add the soy sauce to the tofu. I minced the tofu and added the soya sauce to the tofu. I will be adding the ground allspice. Not getting me right. So I had the ground allspice to the tofu. Then I will be putting some coconut oil in the pan, and then add the tofu to it. And so I'm gonna chop. I'm chopping the onion, spring onion, and the garlic. Fresh thyme, This thyme doesn't have a lot of leaf. It's more stick than leaf on it, so that's the fresh thyme. Now I'm gonna cut the spring onion in small. The more onion you add to the tofu, you give it more flavor. The spring onion and the onion will give it a lot of flavor. And a small amount of chili, Scotch bonnet pepper. That'll give it really a nice flavor. I don't want to touch that with my hand. Oh, that's hot. So now I'm gonna put some olive oil in the pan and now I'm putting some coconut oil. I'm using coconut oil. I did mention olive oil, but I'm using some coconut oil today, guys. That was all. Okay, the coconut oil is thick. When this is melt, the coconut oil is hot, I'm just gonna put the tofu in to cook. I have some in the spoon, so I'm trying to get it out because it's just lying in the spoon. It's optional, you can use olive oil, coconut oil, vegetable oil, which is suitable for you. I'm now adding the tofu. Let the tofu cook in this. It's gonna take a few minutes to cook the tofu. Guys, just started on my video. I'm trying to grow my channel and I have lots of different recipes and sorry, my throat is a bit hoarse, and hope you like my cooking. Send some comment and let me know what you think about my recipe, and if you do like my video, please like and subscribe. I've done this before and it's really nice, so hopefully you'll try out this recipe. You know, this is mainly a vegan dish because vegans sometimes having difficulty in making different dish. My kids was vegan years ago, and they're growing up now, so they decide to make their own decision, and I have to accept that. But I had to cook for years vegan meals, so I have some idea how to change the style of cooking, or use one ingredients, for instance, just use tofu and cook it in different ways. So I'll be showing you a few tofu video between the next 2 weeks, and I'll try and upload my video then on Sundays and Monday. I'm a bit not in good routine yet, but I will get in routine. So please view my channel and choose something from it. Looks a bit soft as well, the tofu, because it's like mincemeat, and it looks a bit brown. It should be a bit more browner. So what I'm going to add to this to get it a bit more brown and not so white, I'm going to add a bit more soya sauce. And while the tofu is cooking, I'm going to add all the chopped ingredients. And now I'm going to add a small amount of water to the pan. I'm going to leave this to cook. All this onions and vegetable cook into getting softening the tofu, so I'm going to leave that to cook. I'm going to put a lid on and have some dough, which I'm going to have some dough which I'm going to use to make the tofu loaf, and need the dough already, and I'm just going to roll it out in small sizes to make a few tofu dough. And basically what you have to do, you knead it like a pizza dough. I have a recipe with a pizza dough. We'll put that on the channel and you can get the recipe from it. So I'm gonna make a few I'm gonna make a few tofu loaf out of this dough, about 4. You can make it with your hand, or you can use your rolling pin to roll it out, which I'm going to use my rolling pin now. It's quick and easy. You can do it either way, this way. This is good size. And get you a bit flat. It's quite big on this one. I made the bread a bit thin so it's easy to bake, as the tofu is already cooked, so this is supposed to take about 10 minutes in the oven. Right now, guys, I'm putting in the tofu in pastry. I roll out 20 bread loaf, and it's because it's a bit cool, it look a bit dry, but it's not. So now pour the loaf over. I make this one a bit too big. And that's a little bit too big. So I'm going to use a knife and cut the edges off. Like a pizza dough, so it's quite soft. Now I'm gonna put, yes guys, I'm putting the next, I'm doing a hot second one, and I think I folded the bread wrong the first time, so I fold it before, right, and just fold it right over and kind of pull it out. And you can move it about to get more room for the others. Yeah. Oops. I'm just sealing the edge with a fork. This edge is a bit long, so I'm pushing it back in. That's two. Now we're kneading out the next one. I'll put some flours on the board. And now I'm gonna just roll this out. So it's tofu loaf, quite spicy, and the bread is quite fluffy and soft, so it's really nice. You want to taste the tofu when you're eating the bread, so make sure you roll the bread out really thin. So it only takes 10 minutes to cook in the oven. this is finished. So another one. So you put it halfway. You put the pastry here. Then fold it over. Push the meat, spread the meat out in the pastry. You can move it up. Put the next one in and just take the fork and seal the edges. There we go. And I will be doing the last but final. Make sure you put some flour to roll out the pastry because it's quite soft and it'll get stick on the board. Oopsie daisy. There we go. This is the fourth one. You put the bread halfway on that sheet. So you put the here. Just spread it out a bit. And that's the last one. Spread the meat out in the bread. There we go. And just seal the edges with the fork. And now I'm gonna put these in the oven for 10 minutes. Here is the tofu loaf and they're now finished and we're just about to try the flavor of it. So my little taster girl gonna try it for me.
What taste I pick?
And she's gonna broke into it.
Soft. Oh wow, that's all over that bread.
And look, it's nice and bready. And now she's gonna bite into it. It's hot, baby girl, be careful.
Wow, that is hot. Good. It is delicious. Thank you, Mum. That's just amazing. I am very speechless. Thank you for that taste test.
So guys, give this tofu loaf a try. Try this video. Support my video. Tell me, send some comment and let me know what you think about it. Like and subscribe if you like the video. Thank you.